In front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by opening your device's keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear instead. Now you need to click on voice typing and click on gray switcher next to it to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard. Now tap on visible microphone icon and click on while using the app in the pop-up. After seeing Speak Now command, start typing. If you wish to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!